Right here, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge. We're gonna do a kind of like an unboxing. We just got a Flowmaster exhaust put on. That's right, Flowmaster exhaust American Thunder put on the truck. So I'm gonna do a little sound test for everybody. All right, start it up.